Kids Zone with Trishy. Hello friends, today we're going to read a story about a unicorn, a magic book of colors. Little red unicorn is galloping along. Bright yellow unicorn sings a happy song. Pretty pink unicorn gives her mane a swish. Happy purple unicorn makes a magic wish. Shy green unicorn finds a place to hide. Kind orange unicorn gives someone a ride. Soaring blue unicorn flies up to the moon. A rainbow of unicorns will all be sleeping soon. The end. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos.